What if the foods you eat every single day could naturally boost your energy, protect your heart, sharpen your brain, improve digestion, strengthen your immune system, and slow down aging without expensive supplements or extreme diets? The truth is, long-term health isn't built on trends or restrictions, but on consistent daily nutrition choices. In this video, I'm sharing 10 of the healthiest foods you need to start eating daily, foods backed by science and used by some of the longest living populations in the world. When eaten consistently, these foods work at a cellular level to help you feel stronger, think clearer, and live healthier, starting sooner than you might expect. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most powerful daily health foods in the world, yet it's often underestimated. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and natural polyphenols that actively reduce chronic inflammation and protect the body from oxidative stress, which are two major drivers of heart disease and aging. Regular consumption helps lower harmful LDL cholesterol, supports healthy blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This is one of the main reasons olive oil is a cornerstone of the world's healthiest and longest living populations. Beyond heart health, extra virgin olive oil plays a critical role in brain health and metabolic function. Its healthy fats support brain cell structure and communication, helping preserve memory, focus, and cognitive performance over time. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity and supports hormone balance, making it beneficial for long-term metabolic health. People who consume olive oil daily tend to experience lower levels of systemic inflammation, which contributes to better energy levels and reduced risk of chronic disease. Another powerful but often overlooked benefit of extra virgin olive oil is its ability to enhance nutrient absorption. Many essential vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning your body needs healthy fats to absorb them properly. Adding extra virgin olive oil to vegetables dramatically increases the nutritional value of meals. Its antioxidant properties also support gut health and slow cellular aging, contributing to healthier skin, joints, and overall longevity when consumed consistently. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and nutrient-dense foods you can include in your daily diet. They provide high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids, making them ideal for muscle repair, metabolic health, and long-lasting satiety. Eggs are also packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and riboflavin, which support energy production, immune function, and cellular repair. Including eggs regularly helps stabilize appetite and provides sustained energy throughout the day. One of the most important nutrients in eggs is choline, a compound that plays a critical role in brain health, memory, and nervous system function. Choline is essential for the production of neurotransmitters and for maintaining the structural integrity of brain cells, yet many people do not consume enough of it. Eggs also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect eye health, reduce digital eye strain, and lower the risk of age-related vision decline. Despite outdated myths, eggs support healthy cholesterol balance for most people when eaten as part of a balanced diet. Research shows that eggs can increase HDL, the good cholesterol, while improving overall lipid profiles in many individuals. Their combination of healthy fats and protein helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, making eggs a powerful daily food for supporting heart health, brain function, and overall metabolic performance. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who care about their health. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most powerful antioxidant-rich foods you can eat on a daily basis. Despite their small size, they are packed with anthocyanins, natural compounds that protect your cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage, which are key drivers of aging and chronic disease. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved cardiovascular health by enhancing blood vessel function, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. One of the most impressive benefits of blueberries is their impact on brain health. Studies show that blueberries support memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance, especially as we age. The antioxidants in blueberries help protect brain cells from age-related decline and support communication between neurons. This makes blueberries particularly valuable for long-term mental clarity, concentration, and neurological protection. Blueberries also play an important role in metabolic health. Despite their natural sweetness, they have a low glycemic impact and help regulate blood sugar levels levels rather than cause spikes. Their fiber content supports digestion, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and contributes to improved insulin sensitivity. When eaten consistently, blueberries support healthier skin, better energy levels, and long-term cellular protection, making them an excellent daily addition to a balanced diet. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are among the most nutrient-dense plant foods you can eat daily. They are rich in plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and fiber, providing steady energy without blood sugar spikes. Legumes also contain important minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, which support oxygen transport, muscle function, and overall cellular health. Their nutrient profile makes them especially valuable for maintaining energy levels and supporting long-term health. One of the biggest benefits of legumes is their powerful effect on digestive and heart health. Their high fiber content helps lower LDL cholesterol, regulate digestion, and promote a healthy gut environment. Legumes feed beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in immunity, metabolism, and inflammation control. Regular legume consumption has been linked to improved cardiovascular health and a reduced risk of heart disease. Legumes also support metabolic balance and healthy weight management. They promote long-lasting satiety, helping control appetite and reduce unnecessary snacking. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates help stabilize blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity over time. When eaten consistently, legumes contribute to better metabolic health, reduced inflammation, and increased longevity, making them a powerful and affordable daily health food. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for heart and overall cardiovascular health. It is exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a critical role in reducing chronic inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and supporting healthy blood flow. Regular salmon consumption has been linked to lower triglyceride levels, improved cholesterol balance, and a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. These benefits make salmon a cornerstone food for long-term heart protection. Beyond heart health, salmon is essential for brain function and mental performance. Omega-3 fatty acids are a major structural component of brain cells and are vital for memory, focus, and cognitive clarity. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, supporting muscle maintenance and recovery, as well as vitamin D, which plays a key role in immune strength, bone health, and hormone regulation. Together, these nutrients support both physical and mental vitality. Salmon also supports joint health, skin quality, and overall longevity. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce joint stiffness and discomfort, while its protein and healthy fats contribute to improved skin elasticity and hydration. Regularly including salmon in your diet helps protect the body from chronic inflammation and age-related decline, making it one of the most effective foods for supporting long-term health and vitality. Number 6. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and arugula are foundational foods for daily health and long-term disease prevention. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, K, and folate, which support immune function, bone strength, blood health, and cellular repair. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation throughout the body, making them a critical component of a healthy daily diet. One of the most important benefits of leafy greens is their high fiber content, which supports digestive health and gut balance. Fiber helps regulate digestion, maintain stable blood sugar levels, and feed beneficial gut bacteria that play a role in immunity and metabolism. Regular consumption of leafy greens has been linked to improved cardiovascular health and a lower risk of chronic conditions due to their ability to support healthy blood vessels and reduce systemic inflammation. Leafy green vegetables also support the body's natural detoxification processes and overall metabolic health. They help the liver efficiently process and eliminate toxins while providing nutrients that support energy production and cellular function. When eaten consistently, leafy greens contribute to improved digestion, better energy levels, and healthier aging, making them one of the simplest yet most powerful foods you can eat every day. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerful daily food for digestive health, immunity, and muscle maintenance. It is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. A balanced gut plays a major role in nutrient absorption, inflammation control, and even mental well-being. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, making it effective for appetite control, sustained energy, and muscle recovery. One of the key benefits benefits of Greek yogurt is its impact on bone and metabolic health. It provides significant amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Greek yogurt also contains B vitamins that support energy production and nervous system function. Its lower lactose content compared to regular yogurt makes it easier to digest for many people, allowing more individuals to enjoy its health benefits without discomfort. Greek yogurt also supports healthy weight management and overall metabolic balance. Its combination of protein, probiotics, and healthy fats helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings throughout the day. Regular consumption has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. When eaten consistently, Greek yogurt contributes to better digestion, stronger immunity, and long-term metabolic health, making it an excellent food to include daily. Number 8. Oats. Oats are one of the best foods you can eat daily for sustained energy and heart health. They are rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and support healthy blood vessels. This helps reduce the risk of heart disease while promoting long-term cardiovascular function. Oats also provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, keeping you energized and focused throughout the day without sudden blood sugar crashes. One of the most valuable benefits of oats is their role in blood sugar and metabolic health. Oats help slow digestion, leading to more stable blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity over time. This makes them especially beneficial for people looking to maintain steady energy levels or manage weight. Their fiber content also supports digestive health by improving bowel regularity and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Oats also contribute to satiety and appetite control, making them an excellent daily food for healthy weight management. They help you feel full for longer periods, reducing unnecessary snacking and overeating. In addition, oats provide important vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and B vitamins that support energy production and overall metabolic function. When consumed consistently, oats support digestive health, metabolic balance, and long-term heart protection. Number 9. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, are small but incredibly nutrient-dense foods that provide powerful health benefits when eaten daily in moderation. They are rich in healthy fats, plant-based protein, and fiber, which support heart health, stable energy levels, and long-lasting satiety. Nuts also contain important minerals like magnesium, zinc, and potassium that support muscle function, nerve signaling, and overall cellular health. Including nuts regularly helps provide steady nutrition without sharp blood sugar spikes. One of the most important benefits of nuts is their impact on cardiovascular and brain health. Walnuts are especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and support cognitive performance. Almonds have been shown to help regulate cholesterol levels and support healthy blood sugar control. Regular nut consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and improved metabolic health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Nuts also play a key role in appetite control and weight management. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats promotes fullness and reduces cravings throughout the day. Despite being calorie-dense, studies show that people who eat nuts regularly tend to have better weight control due to improved satiety and metabolism. When eaten consistently in appropriate portions, nuts support long-term heart health, brain function, and overall metabolic balance. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages you can consume on a daily basis, offering powerful protective benefits throughout the body. It is rich in natural antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation at a cellular level. Regular green tea consumption has been associated with improved heart health, better blood vessel function, and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. These antioxidant compounds help protect cells from damage and support long-term health and longevity. One of the standout benefits of green tea is its impact on brain function and mental clarity. Green tea contains a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, which work together to improve focus, alertness, and calm concentration without the jitters often associated with coffee. This combination supports cognitive performance, reaction time, and memory, while also promoting a relaxed mental state. Drinking green tea regularly can help support brain health and reduce age-related cognitive decline. Green tea also plays an important role in metabolic health and fat metabolism. Its bioactive compounds help support healthy blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity over time. Green tea has been shown to gently increase fat oxidation, supporting weight management when combined with a balanced diet. When consumed consistently, green tea contributes to improved energy levels, better metabolic balance, and long-term wellness, making it an excellent daily habit. If you start eating even a few of these foods every single day, you're not just improving your diet, you're investing in your energy, your health, and your future. Real transformation doesn't come from extreme plans, but from small daily choices done consistently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to live healthier and stronger. And tell me in the comments, which one of these foods are you already eating every day?